Run it, I roll.
Hi guys, so today we're looking real golden because the sun is like right here, so we're just gonna go with the flow even though there's like this shadow here, whatever. Point is, in today's video, I've been seeing a lot of on Twitter and Instagram like these BRATZ challenge where they try doing their makeup like the BRATZ dolls, and so I decided to try it out. So I'm gonna be trying to recreate this picture right here, this BRATZ doll. So if you guys want to see my journey on this, it's very long, I know, but I kind of like the results. So if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Long story short, I was sick, so I was waiting to do this voiceover, but I'm barely getting better, so we're just gonna roll through it. So anyways, I moisturized my face with vitamin E cream, and then I'm applying a rose water spray, and then over that I'm applying the green Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I'm applying this e.l.f. primer. I've never done my eyebrows with eyeshadow, so I'm a little nervous. So I don't know where this is from, but you could use any eyeshadow, any eyebrow product. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in and make sure it really shows the color through. Felt like they needed to be a little bit more pink, so I got the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I got this pink color, and I'm just going through them with that. After you're satisfied with the shape, you could go ahead and conceal them. I'm using the LA Girls Pro Concealer and Yellow Corrector with this flat brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and outline them like I normally would my eyebrows. Next, to finally start the eyeshadow, I'm priming my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. I think that's like the only color, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, just pat it in there, and then I'm gonna set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 15 Light. Next, I'm going into the Zulu by Juvia's palette. I love it so much, and I'm getting this purple here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that from the outer part of my eye all the way to the inner eye corner. And keep in mind, we're gonna cut the crease, so you don't really need to bring the eyeshadow down to your eyelid. Next, I got the Take Me Back to Brazil palette with this light purple shade, and I applied it right under to give it a subtle ombre look. That's not my dog breathing, that's Isabel. So I'm doing those same back and forth swoop motions, trying to really blend it out. I think I'm smart and I have an idea. So my bright idea was to get the Maybelline Cover Stick in white. I love it so much, by the way. And I'm gonna cut my crease because if you see, the doll has like another shade of purple before the actual cut crease. So that's what we're trying to do, and then you'll see what I do next. Once you get the shape you want and you fill it in, I'm taking the Fashion Fanatic palette by MAC, and I'm taking that beautiful light purple, and I'm kind of setting the concealer with that, but at the same time making it the color that we're supposed to have. So now I'm taking this purple from, I don't know where this palette is from, I'm very sorry, but I'm taking this purple and I'm applying it right over it just to darken it up a bit, that way it's not so light. I'm going back into that dark shade of purple by the Juvia's palette, and I'm really defining it going down, because in the picture you could really see the dark purple going down, so mine kind of left, so I'm just trying to bring that back into the eye look. Taking the Cover Stick again by Maybelline, I'm cutting my crease once again, but this time it's like an actual cut crease, because this is the actual cut crease of the makeup part, so I'm just doing that. Setting this cut crease is a little different than the other cut crease, so I'm taking that purple in the MAC palette and I'm gonna apply that to the outer part of the cut crease, how you see here, and then towards the inner part I'm applying this white color. You could use any white from any eyeshadow palette, and then just go ahead and really try to blend those two together, making it look like the purple is fading into white. So basically what just happened is I tried doing the red line in the makeup look, but it didn't really show, so I had another bright idea. So I took concealer and I'm aligning the outside where the red is supposed to go. Now I could take the Modern Renaissance palette and take Venetian red and apply that right over the concealer. That way it really shows and has something to stick onto.
I know that looks ugly, but I'm not panicking because I know I'm gonna fix it. So let's fix it.
I know we just spent time doing that cut crease, but guys, we have to fix that red line and make it straight. So I'm getting concealer and I'm cutting it, I'm making it straight, I'm making it pretty, and then I'm gonna repeat that same process of purple and white and blending. It's okay, you guys, we just gotta trust the process and keep going. See how pretty she looks? I'm telling you guys, trust the process.
I can't find clear tape, so I'm using this tape.
So now it's time to kind of clean everything up. So I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm trying to really round it off and make it pretty and straight down so that I could apply the tape, because I'm telling y'all want to know what's next? Eyeliner. We about to do eyeliner and that's why I'm using the tape, but if you're good at eyeliner, girl, go ahead and do your eyeliner. Show them that wing could a bee. I'm going into the Juvia's palette, once again taking that beautiful violet purple, and I'm applying that to my lower lash line, and then I'm going to take black eyeliner. You can take any and go ahead and line your waterline. Be careful, don't poke your eye. Time for our face, so I'm taking the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. She is so good. I love it so much, but I will say it's probably more for oily skin because it does leave you kind of looking matte. I'm gonna conceal my face, so once again I'm using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in Yellow Corrector. So for a while now I haven't been baking, I kind of just set my concealer. So once again I'm using that same Fit Me loose face powder that I showed you guys previously. And then with the brush I apply that anywhere else, nothing too heavy, and then I wipe it off as well. For bronze I'm using the Femme Couture Mineral Effects Baked Bronzer in Warm Bronze, and I'm just going over that. Of course, remember to be gentle and smooth, and then lately I've been getting another brush to kind of blend it out, like a clean brush with no product on it, so that's what I'm doing. As for blush, I'm taking the Wet n Wild blush in Pearlescent Pink and just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and then blending upwards. Also, I don't know why I just applied some to my nose, I just felt like it needed to be there. You guys, it's my favorite part of this makeup look, so I'm taking the LA Girls lipstick, the matte lipstick in Floor, and I'm with a little brush drawing out little hearts like the doll. It is so cute and it is so perfect for Valentine's Day right now.
I have an idea. What's up with me and these ideas?
I know you can't really tell in the picture, but indeed she does have white little freckles, so I tried applying them just regularly with the white eyeliner, but it didn't work out, so I went and dipped it into the white Maybelline concealer, the cover stick, and they showed perfectly fine.
We're gonna try to overline my lips. I don't know
Anyways, we're gonna try to just, trust the process. So I'm applying lipstick by Wet n Wild. This is in Behind the Bleachers. These lipsticks are so good and really cheap and affordable. And like I said, we trusted the process and it ended up looking out pretty good. My cacahead apparently forgot to film the part where my eyelashes are applied, but I'm using the J Lashes in Zoe. I love them so much. Let's continue. Also, I don't know why I'm barely applying highlight, but I'm taking the Carly Bible Deluxe palette and I'm mixing those two. And then on my cheekbones, I'm just tapping it. I'm not trying to smear any of my artwork that we spent like 10 years on. You guys, after like 10 hours, we're setting our face because we are finally done. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and go ahead and try new things, you guys. Like, if you feel like doing something, go ahead and do it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. I'll see you guys next time. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and yeah, bye.